Welcome to this video on Nutrigenomics, unlocking your unique health blueprint. We will discover how the intersection of genetics and nutrition is transforming the way we eat, live, and thrive, one gene at a time. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Diet and Nutrition series. We begin with Chapter 1, the dawn of personalized nutrition. For decades, nutrition science used generalized guidelines. Today, a revolution recognizes each individual's unique biological fingerprint, designing dietary strategies to match it. We are moving beyond the one-size-fits-all approach. Generic advice fails to account for profound biological variability, which is ineffective and potentially harmful. The global rise in chronic diseases shows generalized interventions are insufficient. At its core, nutrigenomics is the scientific study of the bidirectional relationship between our genes and the foods we eat. It involves gene-diet interaction and is an interdisciplinary field aiming to tailor dietary recommendations to maximize health outcomes and minimize disease risk. Nutrigenetics focuses on how genetic variations affect nutrient metabolism. Nutrigenomics examines how dietary components influence gene expression. Together, they provide a comprehensive bidirectional understanding of gene-diet interactions, forming the foundation for personalized nutrition strategies. Your genes, your diet, your health. Every strand of DNA carries instructions that shape how your body processes food. Nutrigenomics decodes these instructions, turning your genome into a personalized guide for optimal nutrition. Chapter 2 explores the power of multi-omics. Nutrigenomics integrates multiple layers of biological data, from the genome to the microbiome, to unlock unprecedented insight into human health and nutrition. The multi-omics approach is integrating the biological puzzle. It weaves together data from genomics, epigenomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, metabolomics, microbiomics, and personalized health profiles to construct a truly holistic picture of individual health. The microbiome is your inner ecosystem. Trillions of microorganisms in your gut profoundly influence digestion and nutrient absorption. Integrating microbiome sequencing with genomic data allows scientists to predict individual responses to foods with remarkable precision, reshaping dietary science. Advanced computational power drives nutrigenomics. Machine learning identifies gene-nutrient patterns impossible for manual detection. Transformer networks analyze biological sequence data, and graph neural networks map intricate biological networks. Combined multi-omics models now achieve over 90% accuracy in predicting metabolic responses. This is the symphony of your biology. When genomics, metabolomics, and microbiome data are harmonized through AI, the result is a precise, dynamic portrait of your unique biochemical identity, the foundation for truly personalized nutrition. Chapter 3 covers the transformative benefits of nutrigenomics. From chronic disease prevention to peak athletic performance, the practical applications are reshaping human health, delivering measurable, life-changing outcomes. Nutrigenomics is revolutionizing disease prevention. In obesity management, it allows for precise caloric and macronutrient plans. For diabetes prevention, personalized strategies improve glycemic control. For cardiovascular health, targeted dietary changes mitigate genetic risks more effectively than generic guidelines. The PREDICT trial, a significant clinical study, validated multi-omics-driven precision nutrition. Participants experienced greater reductions in body weight and improved glycemic control. This personalization led to markedly higher long-term dietary adherence. The FOOD4ME and Precision Health trials provide large-scale validation, recruiting over 1,600 participants. Genotype-based advice showed improved health markers like BMI and blood pressure, establishing the evidentiary foundation for nutrigenomics to move into mainstream clinical practice worldwide. Beyond disease management, nutrigenomics optimizes health and wellness. Insights can identify optimal micronutrient intake for sustained energy and sharper cognitive function. Athletes can leverage genetic data to optimize protein synthesis and recovery, gaining a competitive edge. Nutrigenomics transforms our understanding of our bodies, shifting the narrative from reacting to illness to proactively building resilience, energy, and lifelong well-being through the power of personalized nutrition. Chapter 4 focuses on implementing nutrigenomics in practice. Translating genomic science into everyday dietary guidance requires a structured, multi-step process, combining testing, data integration, and AI-powered interpretation to deliver actionable insights. The journey to personalized nutrition is a structured three-step process: genetic testing, data integration, and AI analysis. This transforms raw biological data into a precise, personalized nutrition plan with scientific rigor at every stage. Personalized nutrition includes dynamic adjustments. Technologies like continuous glucose monitors track responses to foods, enabling data-driven adjustments. AI-powered apps combine genetic data with wearables for context-aware meal recommendations. Plans are continuously updated as new physiological data is gathered. RX Predict reports offer genotype-dependent food plans, translating genetic variants into specific, actionable food lists for clinical implementation. This shift from generic guidelines to gene-based recommendations is transformative in nutritional care. Modern nutrigenomic platforms put the power of personalized nutrition directly into your hands, delivering real-time, gene-informed meal guidance through intuitive digital interfaces that make healthy choices effortless and evidence-based. Chapter 5 discusses the challenges and the future. The path to widespread clinical adoption of nutrigenomics involves significant scientific, ethical, and logistical hurdles that require careful and rigorous attention. Key hurdles include scientific complexity due to polygenic traits, evidence gaps requiring larger trials, the computational challenge of data integration, and the ethical imperatives of data privacy, consent, and equitable access. Ensuring equitable access is vital. Personalized nutrition must not deepen health disparities. Policy, interdisciplinary collaboration, and scalable frameworks are needed to democratize access and ensure the science serves everyone. The future of food development involves functional foods enhanced with bioactive compounds, precision nutraceuticals, genotype-dependent foods tailored to genetic variants, and AI-integrated food manufacturing for truly personalized nutrition products. The personalized food revolution means tomorrow's grocery store will know your genome. Shelves will be stocked with nutraceuticals and AI-recommended meal kits, making personalized nutrition effortlessly accessible to everyone. Chapter 6 covers your personal health revolution. Nutrigenomics is an emerging reality you can act on today. Your genes hold the key to a healthier, longer, more vibrant life. Are you ready to unlock them? Embracing your unique blueprint allows you to proactively prevent disease, empower your choices with biologically grounded decisions, and take a proactive rather than reactive stance toward your long-term well-being. Take the first step toward personalized health by exploring genetic testing, understanding your unique profile with a professional, and investing in your future. The science is ready. The tools are available. Now it's your turn to act.